video.
It's got, we got another like probably solid 2 knots. But finishing up loose ends, little things here and
nice and straight.
We'll never be done. But
no, but the first phase, like we should be in close.
Passenger, down a lot, get the shade. Good. Nice and slow, Lars. It's gonna drop.
Yeah.
Drop. Steer driver, just a second. Not a lot.
like very rarely do
One. It's gonna drop.
Probably a little bit more passenger.
It's gonna drop.
No, that's the line.
Yeah, stop.
That's the line.
The rest of this is pretty much on the wall, dude. You're wide enough now that you kind of just have to push on the wall. You keep this tire on this line, you can see right here, just on the inside of me, and you're good. But you gotta hug that wall. Nice and slow. Nice and straight, too. No, I think you're good, dude.
You're good.
You're good. Just drive nice and slow and hug that wall. You can stay on that crack. You don't have to push a lot of pressure. You just gotta keep the tire up there.
I saw that little divot in there and I knew I was going to fall into that.
It's gonna drop. Right now. Okay?
You got your bailout in case he runs?
Slow
Rolls?
the driver, go really slow.
Yep.
Okay? Not too much though. You just gotta keep pressure on that wall. Keep that tire up there. Don't let it drop down too far.
It's got a great footprint.
You got this, dude. Hold that line. That's all you gotta do.
Steer to the wall a little.
That's it.
Nice and slow.
It's all about pressure. Nice.
Passenger.
Passenger.
Hard passenger.
Pass. Passenger. Stop.
Stop.
Back up and then
Hey,
go outside.
grab my rope.
Can. Stuck. Back
Just,
up.
just stop.
I'm gonna put a tow rope on the back end.
Right. We're gonna lasso you up. Just stop. Can I get you a drink while you wait? Okay, you're good.
Back up.
No, just stop. Just wait. Wait till the lasso you, buddy.
My tire over here.
Yes. Once they have you, you're going to steer passenger as you come forward. Okay, well then you could go reverse 6 inches and steer passenger. Back it up, steer passenger.
There now, sir.
Passenger,
Come back more.
go back just a shade more, shade more. Passenger,
Yeah, that's right. Hard.
go past and forward. That's it. Whoa.
Yeah! Swedish meatball, yeah!
Yes. How you like that?
Hey, what do you think of that one? That's a big 3-point turn down there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty fucking difficult, even in the samurai.
Okay, we getting a Sammy on it?
That part was almost worse than this part.
If you have the right spotter, you just listen to BC, he'll get you down.
Yeah, dude. I was very Chrissy, can you scale down
Cody, you gonna? We got Jake coming up. You gonna film him?
He'll spot him. I'll film him.
Cool. Who's gonna tug him? You know what I mean?
Rub and tug?
No.
They have those out here? Oh yeah. Come on. Let's do a little shade down here.
How's the puppy?
Chilling.
Good dog.
Overheating? Oh, dude.
Yeah, you can hang like this.
My shoe is awesome. He's just like a full shovel scooping.
That's when you pick it up, it smiles
Oh, yeah,
at you.
that's nice in there. Hey, can you stop that, please?
Oh, sorry.
wanted to show you what I was capable of.
Pretty amazing.
Yeah, went to
Just a little
school.
bit. Yeah, you just need to get up on his face.
I don't know if I want to sit right here the entire
That
time.
line.
I'll move to a different
It's okay right now.
That driver, just for a second.
now.
That's perfect, right there. Hold that wall. Passenger. Mr. Passenger. Mr. Passenger. Just a little bit. That's good, right there. Hold that line. Hold that line. Passenger, just a little bit more.
That goes way up on the strap.
It's going to start dropping on this side.
Ridge line.
You're gonna, as soon as it starts dropping, you're going to have to kind of accommodate. Passenger. Passenger. Just for a second. Straight. Okay,
Yep.
stop. Same thing, just keep going straight now. Nice and straight.
Come down the hill a little
Don't
bit, I
steer
think.
past driver. Stay on this line.
That's such a good one.
Follow that crap on your side. Just, we're going to stop here in a second. So, okay, it's going to drop. It's going to drop. 5 inches. 5, 4, 3, 2, dropping. Right now. From this point on, you're pretty much on the wall. So,
Driver.
hard driver, just above that wall.
Hey, you might want to hook up his... Hey, hook up
You
a
guys
strap.
got a strap on him?
Throw a strap. No, don't back up.
Don't back up.
Yeah, just hold it.
Let's see.
Throw a strap
If you
on.
back up, the rear end's going to
Why
drop.
not get a strap on him?
No lock.
Yes.
He's like a half a foot from his right rear coming in. If you
I
got a
thought we
strap
were
on the
putting
back, you'll be
strap on
good.
everybody.
Strap the rear.
Can't hurt.
Strap the rear.
It's gonna fall right in that hole. If we stack
Yeah.
rocks in there real quick, it won't be as bad. That's what we had for Jeff.
Strap the
Yeah,
rear
you can't-
from
you
the
can't get
passenger
under it
side.
now, though. I ain't
You
going
can
to
do it from far back.
I don't know.
Got it?
Oh, bad spot.
Yeah, it's kind of short. Long enough.
Yeah, it's long enough.
Yeah, you see wheel for a second.
That's what I did for Jeff. I thought that's why I wanted to go right after him for the Jeep slant.
They squashed it.
Yeah.
Hey, how many guys we got on that strap?
Hang on.
One.
Larzy, can you get on that strap, buddy?
I'll go run up there.
Yeah, Chris up there.
This is his phone.
Yeah, I know. He's going to want this video. Okay,
It's recording, so.
I got him.
I think that's going to be good, Cody.
Hold on, let me go on the strap too.
Oh, dude. I got dual monitors going.
Yeah, you only got about a 6-inch drop on that side now.
Just
so,
for a minute, just to fuck up the video. Hello.
Yeah, if you just keep on that driver's side. Just hold the tension. You don't have to go too far. There it is.
Spit on it. Yes, you love it.
Front tires, no way. Front tires on that machine, not going anywhere.
Hey, when he backs up, pull.
Okay, 'cause my tire's wedged.
Yeah, it's on that ledge.
Yeah.
So if you can go backwards a little and then turn passenger.
Okay. One, two,
Passenger.
There you go. You got it. You got it. You got it.
Wreck your shit. Slide that shit.
Yeah, you got it. Yeah.
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 Hey guys, get his cover. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh, he lost
Get his light cover.
light cover. Yeah.
Whoa, let him get the rope.
I thought they said go.
Go, Bo, go.
I saw what you meant. I just had to back up and try
Yeah,
real quick.
if you look back, you see the notch you're in.
Yeah,
It's like
'cause it
there's
was-
no.
Yeah,
you're just like,
Yeah.
That was good, dude.